Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ikram al subject specialist and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Ikram. In today's video, I am going to talk about one word with its 27 synonyms. 27, one word is adjective and then there are 27 synonyms which are also adjectives. And I have told you that adjectives are very much helpful in your spoken language and in your written language. Whenever you want to write something and when you want to speak English language, adjectives are very much helpful. Your proper adjective, your attractive adjectives help you to speak flowery English, flowery language. So the word is beautiful and it normally you use in your communication, in your language, the word beautiful. But there are many other synonyms that can convey the same message, the same meanings. You can use these 27 words to convey the same meaning. That's attractive, beautiful, marvelous. So these are certain words that you use when you want to appreciate something. When the thing is that does impress you, the thing is beautiful, the thing is awesome. You use some words which are adjectives to appreciate the beauty of something. So the main word is beautiful or attractive. Anything you are impressed by. When you are impressed, inspired by something, you use some words which are adjectives. And if you are using good adjectives, attractive adjectives, your communication, your language, that becomes flowery, that becomes very attractive. So using good adjectives, using proper adjectives help your language being very much, you can say, attractive and flowery. So let's discuss some words which you can use when you want to appreciate anything, when you want to appreciate the beauty of anything, when you are impressed by anything. So the word is, for example, beauty, beautiful, that's one adjective, but at the place of this word, you can use these 27 synonyms. The first adjective is stunning. When you are impressed by something, that's awesome, beautiful, you can use the word stunning. The same meaning. You are impressed by something, you are appreciating certain thing, you can say, oh, this is stunning, stunning performance. The next word is gorgeous. Again, the same thing, the sense is the same. No need to translate these words, we are just focusing on the sense. You can use all these words in the same context. When you want to appreciate something, when you are impressed by the beauty of something. Gorgeous, oh, that's gorgeous, gorgeous beauty, gorgeous view, anything that you want to appreciate. The next word is breathtaking. Again, breathtaking performance, brilliant performance. Lovely, simple, jaw-dropping. Again, this adjective you can use to appreciate something. Meaning is the same, sense is the same. You can use this word to appreciate, to praise something. It's jaw-dropping performance. It's jaw-dropping whatever the thing is. Then pretty. Again, this word is used to appreciate the beauty of something. It's pretty. The next adjective is dazzling. Again, it is something that you can use, this word that you can use to appreciate, to praise something, and you are inspired by something, you can use this adjective, it's dazzling. The next one is exquisite. Again, the same thing, exquisite performance. Again, this word can be used to appreciate, to praise something, you can use this adjective exquisite, exquisite, exquisitely. This can also be used as an adverb. Exquisitely done, exquisite shot. Then alluring, the same sense, alluring beauty. Alluring, again, then when you are attracted by something, when you are inspired by something, you can use this alluring. Anything that is very much brilliant, very much awesome, very much beautiful, you can use this word to appreciate that particular thing. It's alluring. Then appealing, the same sense is also conveyed by the word appealing, appealing beauty, appealing performance. Yes, the next word is angelic. Again, this is very beautiful word to use for appreciation, for the praise of anything, that's angelic. The next word is enticing. Again, it is an inspirational word. When you are inspired by something, you can use this adjective to appreciate, to praise something. That is enticing. Enticing. The next word is radiant. Radiant beauty. Brilliant. Radiant. Again, this word is used to appreciate, to praise something. The next adjective is ravishing. This is ravishing. Again, this is a word that can be used to appreciate, to praise. Then the next word is splendid. Splendid performance. Brilliant. Gorgeous. Marvelous. Awesome. All these are adjectives having the same sense, the same semantic, the same meaning. The next very simple word is superb. Again, the same meaning, the same sense. The same word can also be used for the same purpose. Then elegant. Elegant performance, elegant beauty, elegant writing. Whenever you want to appreciate, you want to praise, you can also use this adjective elegant. The next word is captivating. Captivating beauty, captivating scene. Again, this word is used to appreciate, to praise. Then the next word is fetching. The same sense can also be conveyed by the word, by the adjective captivating. The next word is bewitching. Bewitching beauty. Again, another adjective that can also be used for the same purpose. The next word is enthralling. Bewitching, enthralling, enticing, the same sense. All these words are conveying the same sense. Enthralling. The next word is mesmerizing. Mesmerizing journey. Mesmerizing beauty. Mesmerizing, you can say, performance. This is again for appreciation. Then the next word is magnificent. Magnificent, splendid, gorgeous, lovely. The same meanings have been conveyed by these words. The next word is striking. Striking beauty. I mean to say, all these adjectives can be used to appreciate, to praise. The next word is classy. Classy. Again, the meaning is the same. Beautiful, attractive. Then the next word is enchanting. Enchanting, enthralling, bewitching, fetching, captivating. All these words are very much close to one another. Then the last word is charming. Charming, gorgeous, beautiful, exquisite, bewitching, splendid, awesome, enthralling. All these words can be used to appreciate something. So these are 27 adjectives, and you can use in your spoken language as well as in your written language. These adjectives can be used to appreciate, to praise something. So if you just keep on using one word again and again, it becomes a bit boring. So try to practice all these words for using in your spoken language as well as in your written language. Your communication skill will definitely improve. And when you use such beautiful adjectives in your language, you become very much communicative. Your communication that improves. And when you are good in communication, people love you, people are inspired by you, people are attracted by you. And when you can use different adjectives, your language is flowery, your communication power is good, you can surpass, you can excel in any interview, in any job interview, in any practical field, in any competitive exam. When you can surpass, you can excel just with the help of your communication skill. Communication skill is very much, you can say, helpful, or that makes you feel confident if you are good in your communication. For your better communication, you have to be confident in using different adjectives. Your spoken language, that makes you confident, and with confidence you can surpass in practical field. So practice these words. Keep on watching my videos for many other vocabulary words. Practice with the help of those vocabulary words and feel confident. Try to express yourself. Try to speak out. Try to write something with accuracy. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.